Hello, Simon. The first thing you're gonna need is this guy right here. You're gonna download um, a specific version of Chrome called Chrome for testing. Okay, I'm gonna provide you with the link so you don't have to worry about this. It's gonna be a RAR file or a zip file. You need to extract it anywhere you want. In my case, I have it on the desktop here. Okay, this is a path folder. But before we go into the path folder, let me first show you something about the test CSV file with the lot ID. I have this entry here which ends in 300. This entry doesn't have any data on the website, so it doesn't reply with anything. So the first one is going to be captured, the data for this entry, but this one won't, and the output window is going to be very informative for you. It's a little bit sluggish, but don't worry about it. So you're going to just open the path folder and double click the executable. Of course, you're gonna need to add your NAPTCHA API key, and then you remember this guy that we downloaded. I need to browse to this folder and one level deeper until I find this Chrome exe. Select it, click open, and then import the testing file. Now I'm ready to start. If you see the UI is showing how many records are in this file and at what record exactly we are scrapping, or the application is scrapping, and also it's gonna append the input file name next to the title bar here. I have two monitors, so let me bring this in. Should um, install the extension, yeah, Snapchat extension, and then it's gonna redirect to the website. I'm using a VPN. This makes the captcha load really slow. Anyway, yeah, it got the first one. It's gonna go to blank, and here it's telling you that it was looking for this lot ID on the website. It was able to get the information and saved it successfully, and then it's gonna wait for 60 seconds and try again. So the next entry, which ends with 300, will not have any information associated with it. So it's gonna just skip it and go to the next one. Anytime soon. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that one was 300. You see, there's no data, so it's gonna wait roughly about 10 seconds just to make sure that everything loaded before it makes a decision. And then it's gonna, you see, yeah. So lot ID that ends with 300 has no data. Moving to next one, and of course it's gonna wait another 60 seconds and do it all over again. Um, so that's it. Let me show you the output folder. Sorry, output file. I'm gonna append output to it. So if you remember, the file name was testing lot IDs. The output folder will just have output suffix before the real name of the output file. So we should have, yeah, one entry because the second one didn't go well. So this is all the columns as you requested them. For some reason, it's giving me the really squiggly because it's French, but I didn't really, like configure anything about this application because I never used it before. It's an alternative to the Word or Office. So that's it. Uh, if you have any question, let me know, okay?